Hey everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to get Sora to AI invite code. Okay, first you want to go and open the App Store or Play Store, then search for Sora OpenAI. Then you want to download the application. And once you download the application, you will need to provide your Google or Apple account or sign up. So once you sign up, they will need a code. Now, in order to get this code, you can simply go and search for Sora AI and go through their communities. Here you have on the top right here some communities. So you can join some of their communities and search in the communities for some comments, and you may find some people commenting with free codes like this one right here. So you can go and try this code on your Sora OpenAI application. And if you cannot actually find codes on the comments of their communities, you can simply try these two codes. Number one code is FRIYAY, and the another code is WHYJYW. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.